Hey, I'm Chris from Kenneth Roofing, and one of the main problems our clients have experienced in the past 2 years is the rising cost of putting a roof on.
Why are your prices going up?
Well, two of the main reasons that we've seen price increases are materials and labor have increased by an average of 20% over the past 2 years.
How do you fix it?
So what we've actually done is partnered with Sunlight Financial, who is a nationally accredited lender, to help get you financed.
How much money down?
Well, actually, you don't need any money down.
What about my credit score?
As long as you have a minimum 650 credit score, you're good.
Well, what are the terms for financing?
We have terms anywhere from 60 to 120 months.
How do I apply?
To apply, give us a call at 434-944-6005, and one of our sales representatives will be in touch.